express your love? I've never felt a love like this before. How can I express your love? I've never felt a love like this before. How can I express your mercy? No one else can do the things you do. How can I express your mercy? No one else can do the things you do. 'Cause your love, they touch my heart, my God. Which can love be this? Oh,